Sometimes when you try to install BC Treepl app from the BC App Store, you may get this error. While BC App Store team tries to resolve this issue, we have created an alternative way to install BC Treepl app to your BC site. Go to Treepl Co website to Migration for BC Partners page and scroll down to BC Treepl app section. Now you have this new button over here, install manually, and when you click that you will receive a zip file with the app. Then go to your BC site that you're about to install the app to. Go to FTP. This is your file system of your BC site. Open the folder from your zip. Go to BC Treepl app and follow the same path on both sides. So system, apps. Now if you don't have apps here on your BC site, you just drag and drop this folder. But we'll go further and drag and drop this folder over here. After files are uploaded, go to BC site under your partner login and reload the page. Now you can go to BC Treepl app and it's available for you to use. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@treepl.co. Thank you and have a wonderful day.